Okay, here's how you do today's slides. Each slide has the name of a province of China in the top left. It's got a box here. This is where you're going to put your image. And then down below, it's got latitude and longitude. That's, of course, where you're going to put the latitude and longitude of where you found the image. The first thing you have to do is click on the name of the province. And every province is different. Every province has a different link. So you can't just use the same link for each of the images for each of the provinces. So click on the province and open the link, and it's going to open up Google Maps, not Google Earth. And this is important because it's just easier to use this way. So on Google Maps, when it opens up, it's going to show the province, which is highlighted here. It's pretty easy to see this little red dotted line. This is all the Qinghai province. But then what I want to do is go down here and click this little icon, and that's going to open up all of the photosphere things. And then I'm going to just choose one of these photospheres that I like. Let's go to this one right here. And this is going to show me what it looks like in this province. And this looks like a nice river. So I'm going to kind of orient it to make it look like I like. So I like this view right here. And I'll kind of back out of it, got the bridge. Then I'm going to take a screenshot of this view like that. And I'm going to copy the screenshot and paste it into the slide. And then format it correctly to make it the right size. Then what I'm going to do on this map here, this is important, I need to get the latitude and longitude. So that dot was right here. If I right click when I'm over this dot, brings up this box, there's the latitude, 34.23 degrees north, and the longitude is 92.43 to the east. These are north and east. So I go here, and I go 34.23 north. And then the other one was 92.4, we'll round up to 44, 92.44 east. So I'll do 92.44 east. And all of these are going to be north and east, so that's kind of easy. And then I'll, of course, finish formatting this, making sure that it looks nice. Maybe I'll just go ahead and center it like that. And I can even get rid of this box so it looks pretty. There we go. And then I just do this for each one of these, and I get some really neat images of these places in China.